Assalamualaikum, this is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and today we are going to start chapter number 5 of week 5 of the course Public Policy. In this chapter, we have to cover almost 7 topics, and each topic is related with other topic. That is, first we have to see politics, second we have to see society and status, third we have to see identity politics, fourth we have to see race of individualism, fifth we have to see the individualism in the US, sixth is multiculturalism, and sixth is multiculturalism and identity politics, seven is critics of identity politics. So before starting the chapter, just have a quick view and these topics we have to cover. And this is not a very big chapter, and try to make this chapter too much small. So let's move toward our first topic, that is what is politics. We have already discussed this chapter in our previous this topic in our previous chapters, and we have already discussed a lot of things about what the politics is and how we have to work and how a leader can just rule and do their politics maybe in a positive way or in a negative way. Just see according to the definition that what politics says to us. Politics is a process by which people make a collective decision in groups, organizations, or societies. It involves the distribution of power, resources, and responsibility, as well as the creation of enforcement of rules and policies. Politics involve the governance of the country, include laws, policies, and power structure. Last but not the least, that is, the politics is the process of making decisions and rules of a group or country. It involves leaders, parties, and discussions about how to govern and resolve issues. Let's talk in a very common language, that is Urdu, so everyone can understand what this topic going to tell us. Politics. पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी बात करी कि पॉलिटिक्स है क्या, किस तरीके से पॉलिटिक्स एक कंट्री को डेवलप करने के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाती है, उसको रूल करने के लिए। किसी भी कंट्री को अगर अपग्रेड करना है तो उधर पॉलिटिक्स का होना लाजमी है। पॉलिटिक्स व्हाई, मेन क्वेश्चन, पॉलिटिक्स होती क्या एंड व्हाई इट इज नेसेसरी। एज यू हैव सीन इन दिस definition, that process by which people make collective decision. Politics by which people are going to make the decision in groups, organizations, societies. Okay, what it involves? It involves distribution of power. With the help of politics, power is distributed, resources and responsibilities are distributed, as well as the creation of and enforcement of the rules and policies. They all are distributed. As you can see in this second part, politics involve the governance of a country, include laws, policies, and power structure. In politics, we talk about that we have laws, policies, power structure. Power structure for what? Power structure for the governance of the country, how to govern and how to rule the country. Okay. Third is politics is the process of making decision. With the help of politics, हम क्या करते होते हैं? We are making the decisions and rules. We're making decisions and the rules for what? For the group of country. We are making the decisions. We are making the rules for the country. ठीक है? It involves leader. Politics में कौन-कौन लोग होते हैं? Involving leader, parties, and discussion about how to govern and solve issues. The main thing that why the politics is created, किस तरीके से form होती है, क्यों होती है? The main answer, short answer is like to solve the issues of the people. Okay, this is known as the politics. Now we have to talk about what is society. Society and the status. Everyone know what is society and what the status is. Let's see. Society is a structured community of individuals who shares common tradition, institutions, culture, and relationship. It is a form through interactions among the people who live together in a shared environment, following norms, values, and laws that help maintain order and corporations. बात करते हैं आगे स्टेटस को देखते हैं। स्टेटस रेफर टू द सोशल पोजीशन a person held in a group or society. It determines how individuals are perceived, treated, and expected to behave. सोसाइटी की बात करें कि ये क्या होता है, सोसाइटी स्ट्रक्चर कम्युनिटी, एक कम्युनिटी होती है सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल who share common tradition, जहाँ पे एक कम्युनिटी होती है where common tradition, institutions, culture, relationship are followed, उनको प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते हैं लोग, ठीक है। इट इज फॉर्म थ्रू इंटरैक्शंस अमंग द पीपल हु लिव टुगेदर, आपस में लोग इंटरैक्शन हुए होते हैं, उनकी क्या होती है जो साथ रह रहे होते हैं इन अ शेयर्ड एनवायरनमेंट, एक जगह पे रह रहे हैं, किसी कम्युनिटी में रह रहे हैं, एक लाइक यू कैन से, वहां पे क्या कर रहे होते हैं, दे आर प्रैक्टिसिंग देयर कॉमन ट्रेडिशंस, कल्चर, ओके, रिलेशनशिप, ओके, दीस आर थिंग अ सोसाइटी इज नोन टू बी growing. Yeah, this is called society. जहाँ पे लोग रह रहे होते हैं, जैसे लोग रह रहे होते हैं, they follow their culture, relationship, and they follow their rules, maintain order and cooperation. They help each other. This is called a society. What is the status? The status refers to the social position a person holds in a group or society. Society के अंदर कोई भी person he hold any position, hold any status. It determines how individuals are perceived, treated, and expected to behave. Okay, like you can see in the picture, the status. Like merely status is come with the help of money. If you have a good amount of money, people treated you, behave with you, or perceive with you in a very good and gentle way. This is another society, and this is what our status. You can see the picture. Okay, and let's move to the next slide. Identity politics. What is the identity politics? Identity means like it's just a similar, and politics, that similar politics. Let's see what the identity politics tell to us. It refers to a political movement, policies, or debates centered around the interests and perspective of specific social group based on a shared identity characteristics such as race, ethnicity, gender, religion, sexual orientations, or social class. It involves advocating for the right recognition and representation of marginalized or unrepresented communities. Identity politics. Let's see. Like होती क्या है? Over here we have seen two things. A feminist movement is that focus on the gender equality, women rights, and workplace representation. Second, we have LGBT plus rights movement aim to securing legal rights and social acceptance of sexual and gender minorities. Identity politics क्या है? Let's see. It refers to the political movement. एक movement, एक you can say एक change लेकर आना politically way के अंदर, political movement policies लेकर आना और debates बात करना centered around the interest and perspective of specific group based on shared identity. कोई भी एक चेंज लेकर आना पॉलिटिकली वे में लोगों के इंटरेस्ट को जनरेट करने के लिए, यू कैन सी द फेमिनिस्ट. तो इन पाकिस्तान वी हैव फेस यू कैन से द औरत मार्च और द फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट. एक कुछ चेंज लेकर आना किसके लिए? इंटरेस्ट एंड पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप, किसी भी ग्रुप के लिए, सर्टेन पीपल लोगों के लिए कुछ चेंज लेकर आना, एक आइडेंटिटी लेकर आना, आइडेंटिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को, जैसे कि रेस, ethnicity, gender, religious, bisexual orientations और social class. एक अलग से कुछ ना कुछ लेकर आना जहाँ पे उनके rights हो, they got the rights, they got their own policies, something like that. ठीक है? It involves advocating for the rights. I've already said that rights, recognition, they have their own identity and representation of marginalized or underrepresented community. जहाँ पे उनको they were not getting the rights, they were not getting their power to अपने आप को to make them their superior, अपने आप को अलग करना और अपने rights के हवाले से बात करना. That's called identity politics. अपने लिए बात करना, अपने लोगों के लिए, अपनी community के लिए बात करना. That's called identity politics. Okay? Rise of individualism. किस तरीके से individualism का बढ़ना? What is this? Let's see. Individualism is the belief in the importance of personal freedom, self-reliance, and individual right over collective or societal expectations. Over time, societies have shifted from the traditional communities focused structures to more individual-centered lifestyles, particularly in modern industrialized nations. In Western countries, people prioritize personal career growth over family expectation. Young Pakistani are increasingly choosing careers in freelancing and entrepreneurship instead of traditional jobs. बात करते हैं rise of individual. हर किसी का अलग अलग तरीके से बढ़ना. You can also see with the example of in Pakistani young youth, they are mainly focusing on the freelancing rather than doing the job in traditional way. Like believe in the importance of personal freedom. Like I love to do this thing. This is my personal freedom, self-reliance, and individual right. कि मेरा अपना right है, ये मैं कर सकता हूँ, ये मुझे अकेले करना है. Over collective or societal expectation कि like जो society मुझे बोल रही है, ये करो. I'm not doing that. मैं अपना एक freedom. I just have my own freedom. मेरे अपने rights हैं, my own हक है, I have my own choices. ठीक है, individual rights. मैं खुद अपना को rights कर individual. Society से हट के बात कर रहा हूँ. Over time, societies have shifted from traditional community focused structure to more individual. अब जो हो रहा है, like people are shifting from the traditional, like जो हमारे बाप दादा, हमारे grandfather, they used to do that. Mostly people have shifted from that. They are not practicing that. They know. They're shifting toward their own individual. They say that we have the right, we have the freedom. So with the help of that freedom, we can do anything. That's as a rise of individualism. Okay. Let's move toward the next step. Individualism in the US. What type of individualism in the US is going on? The United States is often regarded as one of the most individualistic society in the world. Individualism in the US is deeply rooted in its cultural, political, and economical foundations, emphasizing personal freedom, self-reliance, and the pursuit of success. The US values self-reliance and the idea that individual can achieve success through hard work. Many Americans start their own business rather than relying on government jobs. You can also see in the US, not only with the help of this definition, you can also just see in the videos and the movies that in the US is the most individualistic society of the world, not the Asia. They're not talking about the Asia, Europe. Talking about the individualistic society of the world. Individualism in the US is deeply rooted. They are practicing very commonly the thing. Okay. The US values self-reliance and the idea that individuals can achieve success through the hard work. Next, we can talk about the multiculturalism and identity politics. What is this multiculturalism and identity politics? Is multiculturalism and identity politics are interconnected concepts that shape modern societies by addressing diversity, representation, and power dynamics. It supports diverse cultural identity, while identity politics often focus on group rights. You see, example, Canada promotes multiculturalism, allowing immigrants to perceive their cultural heritage. Pakistan has diverse ethnic groups like Punjabis, Sindhis, Baloch, and Pashtun, but tension sometimes arises over representation. What is this? Let's see. Multicultural like के अगर हम बात करें एक country के अंदर एक culture नहीं, they are having their multiple culture. You can also see in the Dubai, the Middle East, over there you can see a lot of people living combinedly. Like you can see Muslims are living, Hindus are living, Christians are living, Jewish are living, and many other language culture people are living in the same place on the same land. You can see the different languages, culture, countries, people they just coming and living there. Yes, you can see the people of the US, Europe, Russians, and the Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Sri Lankans, all over Chinese. They're also coming and living in the Middle East, in the Dubai, in the Dubai or in the Abu Dhabi, and many states, many cities like there. Okay, like the multicultural के वहाँ पे एक culture नहीं, they're having a lot of culture practicing on the same place. You can also see in the example of Pakistan that in Pakistan you can see the Punjabis also living, Sindhis are also living, Balochis are also living, Pashtun are also living, but sometimes arise over tension or sometimes arise over representation. Like बहुत दफा इनके आपस में clashes बनने शुरू हो जाते हैं. So multiculturalism means कि like multiculturalism and identity politics are interconnected concepts that shape modern societies by addressing diversity. In multiculturalism, we have the diversity, representation, and power dynamics. It supports diverse culture identities, while identity politics often focus on group rights. कि किस तरीके से उनको rights मिल जाएं और किस तरीके से उनको identity politics एक focus हो जाए. Canada के अंदर you can see over here promotes multiculturalism, allowing immigrants to preserve their culture heritage. They used to come there, they have to practice their own culture, their freedom to live. Okay, that's known as the multiculturalism and identity politics. Let's see our last topic, which is the critics of identity politics. What is this? Identity politics is when people focus on their race, gender, religion, and other identity to fight for their rights. While it has helped many marginalized groups gain recognition, some people criticize it for causing problems. Critics argue that identity politics can divide people by focusing too much on differences. Some believe feminism in the West has shifted from gender equity to gender superiority. Ethnic-based political party in Pakistan sometimes create division instead of unity. Critics means होती क्या है? Criticism को बोलते हैं of identity politics. Like उसको आसान वे में understand करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Like identity politics is when people focus on their race. Like अगर जब सिर्फ लोग अपने race, अपने culture, अपने gender wise religion को focus कर रहे होते हैं और other identity group to fight for their rights. Like अगर हम you can see in the Pakistan, like in the Karachi, people, for example, many people they call them the Urdu speaker. So they work on they live, race, they have their own culture, gender, religion, identity. They have their own identity, but they fight for their rights. While it has helped many marginalized groups gain recognition, some people criticize it for causing problems. इससे क्या हो रहा है कि उनको एक they have created their own political party जिससे उनको help होती है to gain recognition, उनको identity मिलती है, जबकि some other people criticize it for causing problem. Like other people, they just saying that this political party is created, but it causing problems. Okay, critics argue that आइडेंटिटी पॉलिटिक्स कैन डिवाइड पीपल. इससे क्या हो रहा है कि आइडेंटिटी पॉलिटिक्स क्या कर रही है, लोगों को क्या कर रही है, डिवाइड कर रही है बाय फोकसिंग टू मच ऑन द डिफरेंसेस. कि लाइक वी आर द पीपल हु हैव द डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, वी आर डिफरेंट पीपल फ्रॉम अदर. तो ये क्या क्रिएट कर रही है, इट क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंसेस, too much differences. Like we have their own culture, language, traditions. So it creating simple differences from the other people who are living in the same society. Okay, some believe feminism in the West has shifted from gender equity to gender superiority. Like बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि feminism जो एक it's a culture, it's a practice of the Western, तो जो shift हो गई from West to the in our society in the Eastern side, and gender equity to gender superiority. Like जो female का जो feminism है वो gender equality से बढ़ के gender superiority में हो गया. I give you an example. Like many offices, the female having the same degree but no experience, they give them more superiority, they give them more respect as compared to the person who is working in the same organization for more than 10 years. A man working in that organization for more than 5 years, and instead of promoting that person, a female come and she become the leader of that group or that team or that person. So this is what that is known as the shifting of gender equality to gender superiority. Okay, you can understand with the help of this example. Ethnic based political parties in Pakistan sometimes create division instead of unity. Like in Pakistan, there are a lot of many parties who are creating a division instead of unity. Instead of making a unity, a single nation, instead of that they are making the division. They are dividing the people into their race, their culture, their language, their in the area wise. So they are dividing the people. So that is known as the critics of the politics, criticism of the politics. This is all from our chapter number 5. I hope you enjoy this chapter, and inshallah see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.